Hey guys, welcome back to my video, and today we are trying a trend to see if we can make slime. So, here's the shampoo. I got the shampoo, and I got my spoon, and I got my bowl. And there's another visitor coming in, and he's a part of the Let's Go with the Littles because he's a little. And here he is, my brother. Say hi. Hi. Okay. Now we're gonna put the shampoo in. Okay, here we go. We're gonna see if this is real. If it works. We're only gonna start with a little bit of shampoo. Actually, no. I wanna see if we can do more. Because we're gonna see if it actually works. And then we're gonna need the salt, but I don't know where it went. So let me go get it for you. We are at the freezer. Let's put it in for 15 minutes. So here's there. Now we gotta wait 15 minutes. See you when we're done. Hey guys. It's been 15 minutes, so I guess we're gonna check on it. Yeah. And now we're gonna
where's
see.
my spoon?
Right here. Oh, right here. We're gonna just mix it to see if it works. I don't even think it works. So I'm just gonna mix it for a couple of seconds. Or maybe we didn't put enough salt, that was why.
Mine's kind of working. I think I think.
Well guys, it was a fail here, and maybe if we see something else, we are going to keep you guys posted. Bye!